profitable trading is simple. You already know almost everything that you need, and you still won't do it. I've been trading for 10 years, and trading automated systems is what allowed me to achieve consistency. But I spent most of those years collecting complexity, so I know exactly why the word simple sounds like a lie to you. Everything profitable trading actually requires fits on an index card, and later in this video, I'm going to read that card to you word for word. The uncomfortable part comes after you hear it, because you'll recognize every line on that card, and you'll know you've broken almost every single one of them. The reason you break them runs deeper than discipline, and almost nobody in the industry will say it to your face, because their business depends on you never figuring it out. So in the next few minutes, I'll show you what that card says, why knowing it was never enough, and what the traders who finally became consistent did instead of trying harder. If you're watching this video, odds are you've already been through a pile of trading content. You know the vocabulary by now, the order blocks, the liquidity zones. The concepts sound smart, but if you had to explain why the drawings on your chart should produce money, you really couldn't. I spent years in the exact phase, and every losing month sent me out to buy another piece of the puzzle. It seems like the only possible explanation for losing. So when I say profitable trading is simple, I want to be precise about what I mean. The job description is short, and here's the index card that I promised you. Line 1, an edge. You need a setup that wins slightly more than it loses across a large number of trades. Line 2, fixed risk. Allocate the same amount on every single trade, sized so that no losing streak can knock you out of the game. Line 3, repetition. Run enough trades for that small edge to show up over time. That's the entire card. There's no line about predicting tomorrow. There's no line about the right time, because a real edge can lose almost half of its trades and still pay you. The setups behind my own systems are the same support and resistance and trendline ideas most traders learn in their first month. And more information makes this actually worse. If you load 10 indicators onto a chart and one says buy while another says sell, you end up confused in front of a screen that was supposed to give you clarity. The traders I know who make money read fewer things off a chart than the ones that don't. The boredom is the tell, because a real edge looks boring on screen. It wins small, loses small, and repeats. The exciting stuff belongs to prediction, and the card has no room for big calls and perfect entries. Now you might be thinking that card is too short for the whole game. If it were, everyone's selling trading indication would just hand it right over. But a card like that is impossible to charge for. The 4-hour masterclass and the secret indicator exist because complexity looks like value, and a guru can't invoice you for 3 lines. By the way, if you want to see how I turn that card into actual trading systems, there's a free training linked in the description. And still, the card on its own has never made anyone consistently profitable, because knowing it is the cheap half of the job, and the expensive half is the reason you clicked on this video. Now, you already know your rules. You could recite them to me right now: where you enter, where the stop goes, and how much to risk. Some of you have them written on a note stuck on the monitor. So missing knowledge can't be the thing holding you back. What the card actually demands sits one level deeper, and it asks you to follow those rules perfectly, with real money on the line thousands of times in a row. A few trades per day sustained for 10 years adds up to thousands of separate executions, and the card needs nearly every single one of them to be clean, and it asks you to do all of that alone. No colleague looks over your shoulder before you click, and no boss reviews the trade after it. There's no team around that decision at all. It's just you, the button, and whatever kind of day that you're having. The only person enforcing your rules is the same person who wants to break them. You've already discovered what that feels like. There was a morning that your rules called an entry, but you'd taken 2 losses the day before, so you sat on your hands and watched the setup run all sessions without you. You broke a rule by doing nothing at all. And there was the month that finally went green for 3 weeks straight, so you raised your size, and 2 red days took back everything that those weeks had built. I did my own version of both more times than I'd care to admit. Your trading journal knows that pattern too. It starts the year neat and full, and 3 weeks later the entries stop, because writing down broken rules got too uncomfortable. This is the point where every single trading video tells you to work on your discipline. But losing weight is simple too. You eat less than you burn. Everyone who's ever tried it can recite that sentence, and the diet industry still collects billions every year from people who know it by heart. Simple and easy are different things, and entire industries live in the gap between them. The truth about the card, it's a description for a machine, and you've been applying the position as a human being. being. Following fixed rules under pressure without a single override is what software does. You failed at something nobody succeeds at. So it was never a character flaw. The professionals accepted that about themselves decades ago. Nobody at a hedge fund is paid to feel brave in front of a screen. The rules get tested, written down, and handed to systems to execute them without an opinion. The people who run those systems think in probabilities. So a losing trade is just a number inside a process that they trust. And that's a piece that you've never been allowed to feel. For years, that separation was the one part of the card that you couldn't copy. That has now changed, and it's the last thing that I want to show you. The traders who finally became consistent all did the same strange thing. They stopped trying to pass the test and handed their rules to something that can't fail at it. You take the exact rules you already have, the entry, the stop, the risk, and you turn them into a system that can execute for you. Modern tools let you build that by describing your rules in plain English, so there's no code anywhere in the process. There's no complex skill. And watch what happens to each line of the card. Line 1, the edge. This stays yours. You choose the setup, and it's still the same simple one that you've been trading by hand. Line 2, the risk. This stops being a promise you make to yourself and becomes a setting the system enforces on every single trade. And line 3, the repetition. This is the part that breaks every single human, but it gets handled by software that trades the rule exactly, thousands of times, exactly the way that it traded the first time. A losing streak means nothing to it because it can't feel one. For the first time, your results come from your rules instead of your state of mind. Now, I want to be straight with you about what that doesn't fix. A system will follow bad rules just as faithfully as good ones, so the rule gets tested against years of market data before it even touches real money. If the edge was never real, you find out in a simulation, and where finding out costs you nothing. None of this happens by accident. The building of the rule takes the real work up front, but it's the work you do once with a calm head on a weekend, instead of work you redo every session with money moving against you. The risk of trading never disappears either. What disappears is the version of you that makes every risk bigger. Your job changes. Your job isn't a trader, it's a rules manager. You decide which rules deserve to run, and the system does the weighting and the clicking. The first week feels wrong because sitting on your hands while a machine trades for you, it goes against everything that you've built up habitually. But then a setup fires at 2 in the morning and gets entered, managed, and closed while you're asleep, and you start to understand how much weight you've been carrying all these years. From there, the maintenance comes down to about 30 minutes per week. You read the results the way that the owner reads a report. You decide which rules to keep, which to replace, and which go back for more testing. And then you adjust the risk if something is needed. When a system stops earning its seat, you retire that system, and then you put a new one in by looking at the numbers. Everything's data-driven. Then you close the laptop until next week. The chart anxiety that used to start breaking goes quiet. A holiday stops meaning 3 panic checks a day from the beach, and Sunday night loses that low hum of dread about the Monday open, and the people around you notice it before you do. And you stop negotiating with yourself at 9 in the morning because you're running a small operation you understand and it's your own. And the last part matters more than it sounds because most traders never once felt proud of how they trade. Owning a set of tested rules that gets followed to the letter is something that you can explain to your family with a straight face. Profitable trading really is simple. Executing it was the impossible part, and the part was always optional. Own the rules and let the machine be the discipline. So before we go any further, this is educational. It's not financial advice, and nothing here is a promise of results. Trading carries real risk of loss, and it's not right for everyone. Anything I mentioned about my own results is exactly that, my own. It's not the typical, and it isn't a prediction of what you do. And using our software, only thing that we build and recommend, doesn't guarantee it'll be profitable or even work as intended. And there's a fourth line on my own card, and I left it off on purpose. It's the reason no single system can sync my account, and I learned it from the man who built the largest hedge fund in the world, inside a portfolio designed to almost never fail. So watch this video next, where I break down exactly how his principle works and how I use it in my own trading today. See you there.